We will now continue with algebra and products that will lead to a difference of squares. In our first example, we have x minus y multiplied with x plus y. So in our video of products of binomials, I explained how to multiply the terms in the first bracket with the terms in the second bracket. So if we apply what we've learned in our previous lessons, we have x times x, which will be x squared, then x times plus y, which will be positive xy, then negative y times x, which would be negative xy, and then negative y times positive y, which would be negative y squared. Now, if we add up like terms, we can add up xy minus xy. And these two terms are exactly the same, but the one is positive and the other negative, so they would cancel each other out. So we would be left with x squared minus y squared. Now we have two terms that are both squared values and that are subtracted from each other. And this is called a difference of two squares. In our second example, we have 3x squared minus 5y squared multiplied with 3x squared plus 5y squared. And again, we will expand 3x squared times 3x squared, which will become 9x to the power of 4, and then 3x squared times positive 5y squared, which will be 3 times 5, which is 15, x squared, y squared. Our third term would be negative 5y squared times 3x squared, which will lead to negative 15x squared y squared. And then lastly, negative 5y squared times 5y squared, which will lead to negative 25y to the power of 4. Now we have four terms, and in our four terms, 15x squared y squared minus 15x squared y squared are the only like terms. And because they are exactly the same, but the one is positive and the other negative, they will cancel each other out. So we are left with 9x to the power of 4 minus 25y to the power of 4.